active mold stain remover. We're going to be trying this out today. So in my front loading washing machine here, you can see this is really gross, but I'm just being real here. Look at all the mold and gunk that's in here. So this is supposed to remove this in your washing machine or grout anywhere in your house. It tells you kind of on the back here where you can put it, and we're going to try it out and see. It says washing machines, refrigerators, tub, shower, sink. So you have to squeeze this into the area and let it harden for 3 to 5 hours. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you what it looks like and how well it works. This is what it looks like when I have put it all in the cracks here, and then I put it around the rim. So we're going to let it harden, like it says, for 3 to 5 hours. So you can see the before, and now you can see what it looks like after. So it did a really good job. I wiped it down afterwards, and most of that gunk is gone. I mean, there's a little bit left over here that I probably could wipe down and scrub a little bit better. But overall, I'm quite impressed compared to how it looked before. This looks pretty good. So I think if I did one more run with this would all look fantastic, and it already looks 100% better than it did. And the smell is really good. There's no odor behind. We had kind of like a mildewy smell, and that is completely gone.